everyone, this is Ron back from Ron's Drone and RC channel here. I want to talk about a flight I did last weekend with a little DJI Mavic MIni drone. I went to a place called Oyster Creek. It's a local place where I live on the Jersey Shore. It's a little bit north of my location. It's on the Great Bay. It's sort of above Brigantine and below LBI on in Ocean County. And while we went there, my wife, they have a famous restaurant there called the Oyster Restaurant and Boat Bar, which is a popular location in the summertime. And it's just an interesting area. It's right on the salt marshes on a large bay. And we thought it'd be a very kind of scenic, interesting location to visit, and we want to check out the restaurant because I think they're open year round, but they're definitely open. It was the holidays. It was between New Year's and the Christmas weekends. So we went up there. It was a nice kind of a sunny day last whatever date it was, the Saturday before New Year's, and so we drove there, and it's better than a half-hour drive to get there from our location. But by the time we got there, the clouds had rolled in, and what went from what I would call a sunny day, a mostly sunny day, went to kind of a low light situation at that point. The clouds were really overtaking the sun, and again, it was a low light situation. So what I was hoping to be a nice kind of like sunset video turned into more of a low light test of the Mavic MIni. So I kind of flew around this with a little, it's a marina there. So it's a little canal there where the boats go up and down. And besides the restaurant, there are some homes right on the canal there. So I flew over the salt marsh almost to the bay. And then I flew around the canals a little bit, and I got a lot of shots of the restaurant, which was right around dinner time, so it was getting busy at the restaurant. We actually had dinner later on after we went to Smithville, and it was real packed then. But even early on, it was getting busy. So I thought the Mini performed well in the low light situations. Now, naturally, I would have rather had my the Mavic 2 Pro with me with a 1-inch sensor that can really capture a great detail in low light. It still captures a lot of shadow details and so on, which of course the Mini can't do because it has a much smaller sensor in it. But again, it still did very well. The video you're about to see, I chopped it. Of course, it's not one continuous piece of video, and I lightly edited it. Just white balance and things like that. It's I just put it in iMovie. It's no heavy duty editing of Final Cut or anything. But I hope you enjoy the video. It's a great location if you live here on the Jersey Shore. You may want to visit it sometime, but if you don't, just enjoy the location. And if you have any questions or comments on the video at all, just put them down below. I did shoot it in 2.7K at 30 frames per second. With me adjusting the exposure setting, which essentially exposes the shutter. So I added, I plus the exposure because of the low lightness. But that was my big settings adjustment. So I will roll the video. Enjoy, and like I said, leave any comments or feedback below. Don't forget to hit thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this on the Mavic MIni. And I got the Skydio 2 drone in. I'll be getting the Xeno 2 in soon for review. So it's going to be a lot of drone videos on the channel. And hit the subscribe and the bell notification so you get alerted when I post new videos. Okay, see you later on the next video, as they say.